In this video, I'll be going over how to find missing angles of a triangle. A triangle has a total of 3 angles, and the angles all add up to 180 degrees. So if a figure provided 2 angles and asking to find the last angle, all you have to do is add up the 2 angles provided. So let's look at the first triangle here. We have 65 and 75. So we'll take 65 plus 75, and that gives us 140 degrees. And since we know all angles add up to 180, all we have to do is take 180 minus the 140, and that gives us 40 degrees. So therefore, x will equal 40 degrees for the first example. Now let's look at the second example here. This example has a 45-degree angle and one of these angles. Now anytime you see an angle like this, it means that it's a right angle. And the right angle is always 90 degrees. So for this example, we will have 45 plus 90. So that gives us 135 in total. So this is 135 degrees. And again, taking 180 degrees in total minus 135. And the missing angle that we have is 45 degrees. So for this example, x would be equals 45 degrees. Now for the last example here, we have 60 and 55. So we'll take 60 plus 55. That will give us 115 degrees. Then we'll take 180 minus 115, and our answer comes out to 65 degrees. So the x in this case would be 65 degrees. So these 3 examples are how you would find missing angle of a triangle. Hopefully this is helpful to you, and thank you for watching.